Okay, something delicious right here. All right, our chocolate chips have melted fully and combined with the condensed milk. Now I'm going to add the peanuts.
Ooh, looks delicious.
You can add as many as you want. You're the one eating it. Okay, just a few. Do a little more. And maybe one more. Peanut butter and chocolate make a good marriage. All right, now I'm going to mix this again. Make sure they're all down in there, fully coated. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to put it in my parchment lined pan.
All right.
Okay. Just going to sit this here. It helps if you cut the ends of your parchment this way. This way it'll lay flatter. Okay. Okay. Dump this out. Okay. All that chocolatey goodness. I also use this as well, your Pampered Chef bowl scraper. Get every little morsel. And when you're done, just pop it in the fridge for a couple of hours until it's ready. Then cut into squares and enjoy. We'll come back and show you that part. Okay. Get the side too. Okay. You can get it off of here too. There we go. Smear that around evenly. All right, next stop, the fridge, and we'll be back.